An agent working at AIA Insurance in Singapore, she also welcomed more than 100,000 guests during the Human Plus, The Future of Our Species show held at the Art Science Museum in Singapore. Nadine stood at the entrance, answering questions, smiling, and even remembering guests she had met earlier. She is not just a static machine, but one that can recognize faces and understand conversations. Her memory is strong enough to recall previous chats and emotions. Nadine can speak different languages and even express feelings like happiness and sadness. Her creators designed her to become a digital companion in offices, customer service, and even for elderly care. With Nadine, the goal is to help reduce loneliness and provide a supportive, intelligent presence that people can interact with every day. If you think Nadine is impressive, just wait until you find out what Ada can do. Ada, simply known as Ada, is another human-like robot built to resemble a person. This time, it's based on the late mathematician Ada Lovelace. Ada Miller introduced Ada to the public in 2019 as a fully working humanoid robot that can create artwork. The robot uses special computer programs from graphics and artificial intelligence to draw, paint, and even make sculptures using its robotic arms. Ada grabbed the world's attention during a live event when it drew a self-portrait using its robot hands and inbuilt camera system. The camera in Ada's eyes was developed by AI researchers at Oxford University, while the drawing robot arm was made by students at the University of Leeds to help it paint better. In April 2022, Ada was upgraded with a new arm that made it possible to paint using a palette. Besides creating artwork, Ada can also reply to many types of questions using its voice. When someone asked if Ada can paint from imagination, this was the reply: "I like to paint what I see." You can paint from imagination, I think, if you have one. I've been seeing different things than humans, since I do not have a mind of my own. Ada's art has been displayed in galleries and museums, even raising questions about what it means to be creative in the age of machines. Art critics have praised the detail and originality of her work. Ada's future may include writing poetry or composing music, as researchers continue to expand her abilities. Now let's talk about Gia. This one is truly something else. Gia is the first robot that looks very close to a real person. It was especially made to follow all instructions given by people in a smooth and natural way. It can show many different facial expressions to talk with humans. It uses advanced AI to scan the person standing in front of it and can speak directly to them like a real person. What makes Gia different is that it shows emotions more freely than other robots. Its eyes can move around the room just like ours, and the lip movements match nearly perfectly with the words it says. During a press event, someone from the crowd tried to take a photo, and Gia responded by saying, "Don't come too close to me when taking a picture. It will make my face look big." The creators took 3 full years to build Gia, but they believe there's still room to make it better. They are working on improving parts like the hands to make them look more like a real woman's rather than like a mannequin. Gia also needs more facial expressions, which the creators plan to add in the next version, making the robot more lively and friendly in conversation. The creators are now also developing emotional memory for Gia, so that it can remember how people made it feel. They hope this will help make interactions more meaningful and help Gia understand social situations even better. In the future, Gia could be used in hospitals, schools, or homes to give emotional support, teach languages, or assist those who need mental health care. Next is Amica, a super-realistic humanoid robot that shows the real power of AI. It was built by a company from the UK called Engineered Arts. Amica has a human-like face and body and is powered by strong AI systems that let it talk and respond freely with people. Just like us, Amica can change its face and gestures depending on the situation. What makes Amica special is how it moves. It feels more alive than other robots. It acts more naturally, making people feel they're talking to a real human. While many humanoid robots can only move their hands in basic ways, Amica can move its hands in different ways with greater flexibility. Its shoulders move just like a human's. It uses microphones, twin eye-mounted cameras, a chest camera, and software to recognize faces and interact better with people. These interactions are controlled either through GPT-3 or by a human controlling it from a distance. To do smooth, lifelike movements, Ameca has powered arms, fingers, a neck, and face features that move. Its face and hands are covered with soft gray rubber, and the overall look was designed to appear more neutral, not clearly male or female. Ameca has shown up at many big events, like the Consumer Electronics Show 2022, the Deutsches Museum in Nuremberg, Omar Festival 2022 hosted by Vodafone, and GITEX 2022. Now, Ameca works along with other human staff members at the Museum of the Future in Dubai, where people can come and talk with it. Ameca's creators plan to build a walking version next, one that can move around, perform tasks, and even detect changes in human mood. The idea is to make a robot that can become a daily helper or personal assistant in the home or workplace. With constant software updates, Ameca keeps learning from every interaction. Now finally, let's talk about Sophia. Almost everyone has heard of Sophia, the first humanoid robot to be given citizenship by Saudi Arabia. If you haven't, don't worry, because we'll tell you all about her. Sophia is the older sister of Grace, the robot nurse we mentioned earlier. She is a social humanoid made by Jensen Robotics. Sophia was first switched on in February 2016 and shown to the public the same year at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas. Sophia was inspired by several figures, including Queen Nefertiti of Egypt, actress Audrey Hepburn from Britain, and the wife of the creator, Amanda Hansen. Her launch changed the world of robots. She was one of the first human-like robots that could really talk and connect with people. Sophia uses microphones, cameras, and artificial intelligence to speak and respond. Since her first public appearance, Sophia has met many world leaders in person and spoken at many top-level meetings, sitting on panels and giving talks on different subjects. Since 2016, she has been getting regular updates to improve her abilities and make her more lifelike. Now, she can copy human gestures, change her facial expressions, have real conversations, and use past data to improve herself. More importantly, Sophia is now a known public figure, showing up at events and helping people learn about the future of technology. She has been featured on news programs, magazines, and even late-night talk shows. Some believe she represents the future of AI, blending technology with human-like emotions. Sophia's makers are also working on versions of her that can work as teachers, companions, or spokespeople for companies. The long-term dream is to make Sophia wise enough to help people with daily decisions, or even run a business someday. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other video about why Boston Dynamics is creating a powerful robot army. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Tesla Model 2 and want more updates on electric cars, Tesla news, and future tech, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Speech Balloon got questions or thoughts about the Model 2? Drop them in the comments below, we read every one. Automobile until next time, stay charged and stay curious, this is Tesla Car World, and we'll see you in the next video.